We are here, Dancing Drums Explosion. It doesn't have very many coins. I was going to have them clean the one down there, but I missed it. Somebody was coughing. Man is in. He is in. Down the last two down there got in. Then they just left.
Which one should I pick?
5 or 10. There he goes. And I just got $9. Hey, something. I put 100 in.
Come on, hit something. Hit something.
So we are low rolling because it's been a record one.
$10.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. All the way across, you got $32. Wow. I chose the worst machine. Well, I've already put
No, don't
money
play
in
like
there.
that. Don't think like that.
I'm going to think the way I want to.
Okay. Loser.
My husband called me a loser. Okay, that's all right.
Not in a big way.
Not in the big way. I'm just a little one.
Yeah.
I'm an itsy
Little
bitsy
poopsie.
one, right?
There's
Itsy
another
bitsy.
$36.
Wow.
I wish the volume was
Yeah.
louder.
Look at me. I've lost 75, 20, and almost 100. Wow, it's not shutting down. What's wrong with you, baby? Oh, shoot. Hubby got in. I can't do anything.
Oh, that's not too bad.
You got 110, guys. Isn't that cool? Are you kidding? I love it.
107, I'm sorry.
Nice. Wow. He's a winner. Woo! Okay, and I'm losing mine, but I might win.
Are you losing your phone?
No, you're so bad. He's so bad.
Can you hear the music?
I can hear the music barely. Look at the mess, but look at the dessert. Isn't that great? Do 5. We've got, let's do the 588. Oh, come on, babe. 588. No, it doesn't like me. That's free play. Now look at that. On 288, I got that. Oh, come on now. We are at Angel of the Wind, and we had a wonderful dinner here. It was very nice. A hosted dinner. We love it. Okay, so 288's hitting a little bit.
I'm going to go over and watch the game, right? I'll be right behind you over this big screen.
Good. Okay, here we
The
go.
last one's out. Those two ladies gave me an awesome history.
All right, everybody, we're trying. Let's go up to 2. That was $75. Nothing. Let's try it again. Go, go, go. Oh, we didn't get it. Oh, can I have down there? Just got the mini on a $10, but she got at least 230. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. We're going to do low bets until we get something. Oh, it's being tough, guys. Wow. Okay, let's go up. $3. Come on. Go, go, go. Oh, it won't do it. I need more. Let's explode. We're at Dancing Drums Explosion at Angel of the Winds. Let's get rich. Wow. So hard, and it's not coming. Boy, she did great down there. Ugh. Oh my gosh, you got 800. Wow. 6 or 800 on a $10. We haven't hit one thing. Oh, look, she got it. Right away, she got it. Wow.
Got 32.
Nice. Amazing. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's pretty. Come on, let's go. Oh, that's going to be a good one. 24. All right, we got something. So there's 5. The last 2 on the left have hit. Let's do it. Come on, baby. We love this, but we want to win something, right? Or at least get a bonus. Okay, let's go to 5. Oh, look at those drums. It's just not doing it. Okay, we got 13. Go. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, one more here. Come on. No, it's not doing it. Take it down. Come on. Oh, look at these. Amazing. The food doggies. Let's get you, baby. Look at all those drums. This one is not giving me the drums. Darn it. I hate to say, I think I'm going to go down to nothing. Shock me, baby. Oh, come on. Food babies, food doggies. Nah, go 2. Wow. Oh, it's happening. Whoa. This guy's winning. I'm a loser. Okay, that's it. Pull it up. Okay. All right, so he's at the right one. Hit it. This is Gman's.
Get that red one.
Go. 2 fingers. Go choose something. Okay, there you go. Keep going. Oh, come on now. Let's go. No mini move. Oh, you got a mini.
Minor.
19. Mini.
Oh, it is a mini.
Okay, we just added more money. Come on, baby. We want those guys. I haven't been in once yet. Wow. Let's try 5. 5. Come on, 5. Wow. Try 88. Oh my God. No drums, guys. It's been a good one. Let's go to 288. Wow. Let's try 588. Come on, 588, go. Come on. Just not working, guys. I think we're gonna have to pull down to a lower bet. Boom. We need some help. Okay, you got in at 188. I still am not in. Okay. Sometimes they choose 3 and 5. Yeah, I'm not meant to hit, I guess, today. That's it, guys.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah, you get 2, that's a retweet. Okay. So he's in at 1. He's the winner today. 188. Come on. Ooh. Oh, we got a retrigger again. Wow, isn't that cool?
Well, let's hope it adds up to something.
Yeah.
Come on.
Line Secola.
$8.
You got 108. Oh my God. I got that. Come on. Happy for hubby. I lost my shoes.
Hey, hey, hey.
Look at that, guys.
Get some there.
Nothing.
Hey.
Well, I wish I could.
Look at coin, coin, coin.
Come on, do something. Do something. Go.
Teacups.
He just keeps letting it go.
I wanted
just
this
let him-
wallow.
Let him wallow while I wallow in sadness. He's gonna wallow. Oh God, look at that. One more would have saved my behind. Wow. Oh guys, look how many. This guy is doing it. Amazing. I don't think so. Come on.
Come on, be good to me.
He's having a good
Help my
time.
brother out.
He's having a great time. Three more to go. Let's see if he does a retrigger. Wow, look how much money he's got. Look at that. The food dogs are not working in my favor.
Get off the machine.
You be quiet. I'm not. You move your butt.
Move.
You move your butt.
Oh, another 12.
Okay, that's pretty. 16. Thank you. And there he is, guys.
Okay.
169. Nice. This guy's a winner and I'm not today. We're desperate. Let's go. Yeah, I think you'll get. Oh, look at these food dogs. Hi, beautiful. It's being
Yes.
really naughty. Let's see. Naughty, naughty. I wonder if somebody won a big jackpot on this one. Oh, look at that. Those food dogs are still not coming around. I don't know. Oh, boy. Wow. Hello, you little tighter than a tick. Uh-oh. Let's go down to 88. We'll probably get in at 88. I still haven't been in yet. Oh,
26.
good. 26. That's good.
Minnie was bigger.
Oh, really? I had to go down to 88. Guys, I had to go down to 88. Well, let's do 5. Okay, just see if we can get anything. It's been so rugged. Okay, here we go. Come on, trigger, babe. Only a few spins. Ooh. Come on. $8. We got 19. We're rich. That's it, guys. $20. And I lost hundreds. Okay, but it might be ready to go. Let's see if it's ready. Again, guys, although he lost his money, we'll see how he does. All right. Give him something big. Oh, he got 33. That's higher than the minor. Okay, he's in again. All right, jackpot out. Great. That's good. Give him a... Okay, there. That's what we want. Come on, give him something amazing. Okay. Get that gold major.
Got two of them.
Okay, yeah. And you got two.
Look at these two guys.
And the grants. Okay,
Wow.
here we go.
I just need one more of one of them, right?
No, you can do it. Come on.
That blue ribbon is doubled up too.
You actually, whatever you hit, that's what you're going to get right then and there.
Well, I don't think they're in a row, so I'm going to try like this.
This was the biggest losing dancing drum machine I've ever played. It was horrible. So I lost everything. Okay, I'm done. I'm not pulling out one more dollar. But it's a loser.